Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we will be discussing important current affairs for MoU's, that is Memorandum of Understanding, signed in the June month. Let's start. The first question is, name the state that signed an MoU with Intel Corporation and 3D Glass Solutions Incorporation in May month to set up an advanced packaging glass core substrate manufacturing facility. So which is that state where this will be established? It will be in Odisha. A $3.3 billion deal. It will be implemented over a period of 5 to 6 years and a lot of job opportunities will be created here. Also, this will be promoting India's semiconductor mission. Next, identify the mission that launched jointly by Ministry of Jal Shakti and Anusandhan National Research Foundation in June month that will support water sector startups and enhance the water security. It is Missions for Advancement in High Impact Areas Water Mission. Here, the mission financial outlay is 200 crore rupees over a period of 5 years. Next, identify the government department that signed an MoU with DIBD, that is Digital India Bhashini Division, in June that will expand multilingual access in India's investment ecosystem under Bhashini Seva Sanchalan, a Bhashini Sayogi program. It is Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. Next, name the private university that became India's first to establish the India AI Data Lab in June month in partnership with Intel India that will enhance student employability in AI, data science and emerging technologies. It is Chandigarh University. Then next, identify the state in India that signed a cooperation pact with the Germany's Thuringia in June to strengthen the collaboration in skill development, industrial growth, innovation, technology, startups and life sciences. It is Telangana. Next, identify the airline that signed an MoU with Air India in June to enhance India-Saudi Arabia air connectivity and expand the premium travel options. So, identify that airline. It is Riyadh Airline or Riyadh Air. Next, Indian state, you have to find out, name that Indian state whose government has signed an MoU with the United Nations Development Program in June to promote climate resilient, inclusive and sustainable development, and also launch the Safai Mitra scheme that will empower informal waste management workers. Right option, which is that state we are discussing, Himachal Pradesh. Next, you have to name the university from Japan that signed a 3-year MoU with Sports Authority of India in June to strengthen sports science, athlete development and coach education in India. It is University of Tsukuba. Next, identify the ride-sharing company that partnered with the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways in June to promote Rahavir scheme, encouraging timely assistance to road accident victims during the golden hour. So, identify that ride-hailing scheme company. It is Rapido. Next, name the state government that in June launched the Blue Valley Cluster in Guwahati in partnership with European Union to promote flavors, fragrances and Ayush sector. So, name that state. Which is that state we are talking about? It is Assam. Next, identify that institute that partnered with Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (BSNL) in June to advance next generation telecom technologies, focusing on direct to mobile broadcasting and indigenous 4G development. It is IIT Kanpur. Option 5 is rightly mentioned. Then next, name the state that signed a tripartite MoU with the Government of India in Assam in June to boost oil and gas exploration and production, review hydrocarbon operations after 31 years. The state is Nagaland. Next, find the company that signed an MoU with CSIR's arm Central Electrochemical Research Institute in Tamil Nadu to develop technologies for extracting rare earth elements and critical minerals from mining waste under the National Critical Mineral Mission. It is Naval Lignite Corporation India Limited. Next, students, identify the Maharatna CPSC under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas that has signed a collaboration framework in June with Petroleum Technology Research Centre of Canada to jointly explore carbon capture, geothermal energy and other clean energy technology. So, identify that Maharatna. It is which is it? It is Oil India Limited, OIL. Next, the Digital India Bhashini division, they have under the Digital India Corporation signed an MoU to establish multilingual access to public procurement through Bhashini platform. Which entity partnered with this initiative? So it is Government e-Marketplace GEM portal. Next, Archaeological Survey of India's Underwater Archaeological Wing signed an MoU with which institution to conduct a non-invasive underwater survey of the Danish ship Orison wreck and near Puducherry. It is the National Museum of Denmark. Next, identify the company that signed an MoU with Indian Army in June to expand mobile communication infrastructure in Kemeng district of Arunachal Pradesh, enhancing access to government services, education, healthcare and operational communication. It is Bharti Airtel Limited. Next, identify the original equipment manufacturer that became the first to sign a memorandum of understanding with the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways under vehicle replacement scheme in Delhi NCR region. It is Ashok Leyland and Switch Mobility. Next, mention the American company that signed a multi-year, multi-million-dollar agreement with J Aerospace in June that will establish a dedicated global manufacturing center at the J Aerospace facility in Hyderabad, Telangana. So which company is it? It is Solestra Group, right? It is which is it? It is Solestra Group. It is a USA based company. Next, identify the organization that signed an MoU with the Gujarat government for long-term financing of up to 1 lakh crore rupees to support metro, expressways and Dholera projects. So identify that organization. It is Housing and Urban Development Corporation of India Limited, HUDCO. Next, mention the USA based company that signed a strategic partnership with Kalyani Strategic Systems Limited at Eurostri in Paris, France to jointly develop and market next generation 155mm mounted artillery gun systems. Which is it? Mention that USA based company. Which company we are talking about here? It is AM General. Next, find the organization that signed an MoU with Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology in June to establish a Bharat Climate Observation Network climate observation station in the Himalayan region. Find that organization. Which organization are we talking about? Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Science. So these were your important current affairs, students. Now let's move to some revision part. Next question. In June, the Government of India expanded the QR code tagging initiative for Food Corporation of India food grains bags to which state? So, Government of India expanded this QR code tagging initiative to which state? So, it has been expanded to Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Odisha. So, all three of them, ABC. Next, in June, the T-Hub, that is Technology Hub, has launched the third cohort of Orbit, the Atal Innovation Mission supported Atal Innovation Incubation Center Space Tech Accelerator program, including 13 startups that are focused on which sector? They are focused on space sector. Next is, in June, India has joined Project Glasswing, a global cybersecurity initiative led by Anthropic PVC, gaining access to which AI model? So India joined this Project Glasswing, right? A global cybersecurity initiative led by Anthropic PVC. Correct? Right? This is gaining access to, India is gaining here access to which AI model? It is Claude Mythos AI. Next, identify the state that signed a 18,600 crore rupees investment pact with L&T in June to develop 3 major projects, including a data center, an electronics manufacturing facility and a shipyard expansion. So name that state. It is Tamil Nadu. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the measures announced by the Government of India in June to deepen the government securities market and facilitate greater foreign portfolio investor participation. So identify the correct statement here. Among the following, all the 3 options are rightly mentioned. Next, name the state that has launched India's first fully digitized and judiciary integrated wildlife offense management system, that is HAWK. HAWK is Hostile Activity Watch Kernel. In June 26 this was launched. So name that state that has launched this India's first fully digitized and judiciary integrated wildlife offense management system by the name HAWK. You should also take a note of the full form here, students, can be asked. So the state is Kerala. What is the new name of Kerala? Kerala. Next, mention the national park where Union Minister of State Kirti Vardhan Singh has launched NZP Sathi application and inaugurated self-ticketing kiosks in June. So name that national park. It is National Zoological Park. Right option, National Zoological Park. Here NZP Sathi application was also launched, that is a digital zoo guide that you need to remember this application. Next, which of the following organizations was not selected by the National E-Governance Division under MEITY in June by the Government of India backed AI projects? Correct. This is for backing AI, Government of India backed AI project. So, which of the following was not selected by the National E-Governance Division? Rest all the organizations were selected here. So, Deloitte was not selected here. TCS, NEC Corporation, Kindle Solution, Core Over Private Limited, they will be helping and partnering with various agencies of the Government of India in order to develop the AI related solutions. Next is name the city where Union Minister of State Jitendra Singh has recently, along with the Chief Minister of UP Yogi Adityanath, inaugurated the Regional Meteorological Center in June aimed at strengthening regional weather forecasting and disaster preparedness. So name that city. It is Lucknow, UP. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the National Family Health Survey 6 released in May by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, highlighting key health gains, nutrition improvements and data harmonization efforts. So mark the correct statement here. Among the following, option A is right and option C is right. B is wrongly mentioned. B is saying that women's internet usage nearly doubled, improving from 33.3% to 50.3%. Is it so? So no. It has doubled from 33.3% to 64.3%. Almost doubled. Next, identify the digital platform launched in June 26 by Union Minister Amit Shah, that is our Home Minister, right, to digitize the cargo and passenger movement at the land ports, integrating agencies aimed at modernizing land port operations and enhancing trade efficiency. So basically to digitize the port operations, this particular digital platform was launched. Question asked is, what is the name of that platform? Vinimay. It was launched by our Home Minister Amit Shah. Next, in June, Dharmendra Pradhan, our Education Minister, issued 3 letters of approvals to globally reputed foreign higher education institutions. Right? What are these institutions? Name them. If we look at the options here, right? Okay, we have discussed this many times, students. I want to give you this as a homework. You tell me in the comment section what is the right option. Next, mark the correct statement regarding Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission for Gramin Framework unveiled in June by Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. So mark the correct statement here. Among the following, all the 3 options are rightly mentioned here. Next, name the city that became the first city under India's Easy Connect hub and spoke aviation model in June, allowing international travelers to complete immigration and baggage formalities before Delhi and connect seamlessly to 17 global destinations. So name that city. It is Varanasi of UP. Mark the incorrect statement regarding the Time 100 most influential people in sports released in June. So mark the incorrect statement here regarding the following. Option A is right and C is right. Sorry, option A is wrong and C is wrong, which is our answer. Right? We are saying that Time released the second edition of this 100 most influential people in sports list. Right? So this is the second edition. Is it so? So remember, this is not the second edition, but this is the inaugural edition of the most influential people in sports list. Then C is Harmanpreet Kaur emerged as the only Indian featured on the list under the Titans category. So no, not Harmanpreet Kaur, but Smriti Mandhana, a 2-time International Cricket Council Women's Cricketer of the Year award winner. Right? She was included in the Titans category here. Next, identify the state whose tribal music instrument Sardina received the GI tag lately. So this product is from Tripura that got the GI tag. And now Tripura has a total of 4 products that got GI tag. Next, name that Indian origin theoretical physicist who became the first person of Indian origin to receive the prestigious Wolf Prize in Physics for his pioneering discovery of composite fermions, which revolutionized the understanding of the fractal quantum Hall effect. So, name that Indian origin theoretical physicist. Who we are talking about? Janendra K. Jain. Next is Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited was upgraded from Mini Ratna Category 1 to Navratna CPSE in June becoming the India's which number of Navratna? So it became India's 28th Navratna, right? 28th Navratna. Take a note. Next is identify the option that was not among the newly GI tagged products of Madhya Pradesh in June. Among the following, if we see here, Ratlami Save. This is not among the GI products that got from Madhya Pradesh. So rest all the products got the GI tag. Next, name the person who received the global prestigious award at the House of Lords of UK on 20th of June for their contribution towards the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. So name the person. Right option, Harsh Vardhan. Next, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited under the Ministry of Defence was upgraded to Navratna CPSC status by Department of Public Enterprise, making it India's which Navratna? So it became India's 29th Navratna. And if we see which was the 28th Navratna, it is CPCL, that is your Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited. Next is identify the university whose 7 students were awarded the India AI Fellowship by the Ministry of Electronics and Information and Technology for their innovative projects using AI and machine learning. Right option, Chandigarh University. Next, which of the following was not among the 6 youth-led startups recognized at the 8th Youth CoLab National Innovation Challenge held in June at the Technology Hub in Hyderabad, Telangana? Right option, AgriNova Tech. Next, students. Next is, in June, name that Indian chess grandmaster and deputy president of the International Chess Federation who was conferred the Sports Journalist Federation of India gold medal for his exceptional contribution to the Indian chess. So who we are talking about? Vishwanath Anand. Important question, students. Next, who was awarded the World Meteorological Organization's 71st International Meteorological Organization Prize in June for contribution to numerical weather prediction? So who was awarded here? Dr. Florence Rabier.